this is Raj, and this is a flow diagram of IVR and SMS system that I made recently. System is to prevent fraud orders and to increase conversion rate of an e-commerce store made on top of Shopify. So there is a store for which we made this external app which will take care of sending email SMS notifications to customers and will prevent fraud orders. So in each instance order gets created, updated, fulfilled or whatever, the user will get an SMS notification. Let's say a user places an order from an area where chances of getting a fraud order is high. So what will we do is we'll create an IVR call and let user verify it. So if user presses 1 on IVR call, we'll approve the order. If they press, then we'll cancel the order. If user don't press anything or they don't respond, what we'll do is we'll make another attempt, and maximum 2 attempts will be there. And there is one thing to note, that IVR call can be made only between 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and if any order comes between 8:30 p.m. and 8:30 a.m., all call should be scheduled after 8:30 a.m. on the next day. Now coming to another feature of this app is abandoned checkout. Let's say your user is on checkout page and then they don't place an order, they just go away. So what will this system do is they will pull all those abandoned checkout from the Shopify and store it in our local system, and it will send SMS notifications to users saying that there are some items left in your cart, please purchase it before it goes out of stock, and will record it. If user doesn't convert, we'll send another SMS after some time, and if they don't get converted, we'll send it again. We'll make 3 attempts, and in third attempt we'll send some discount coupon code so that they may get converted. If they get converted, now it is success. I'll take a tour of this application, and this is home page where you can see the analytics, what has happened to abandoned checkouts and IVR calls. So you can see that total 3 number of follow-ups was made for total 18 checkout, and this is the amount of order that was left on the checkout page. And this is the thing that we wanted our checkouts, abandoned checkouts, to get converted, and you can see that there are 10 number of checkouts which was get converted only on first follow-up. And this is about IVR calls, cancelled and not cancelled ones. And there are a lot of configuration that you can make, like the order confirmation template. It should be hello, the name, your order has been received, and you can configure it anytime you want. And same thing for abandoned checkouts and IVR call. Let's say you want to make first IVR call after 2 minutes or whatever number of minutes, you can configure it here. If you want to restrict some zip codes, you can just give your CSV file here and you can upload it, and all zip codes containing in that zip file will get listed here, and those pin codes will get restricted. And you can see when you apply a filter here, you'll see all those abandoned checkouts that was made here, and the number of follows was made and when it was abandoned. And you can also see all the abandoned checkout which got converted into an order. Because I don't have any data of today, so I have to apply filter of some day back to get this data. These are the details of customer or checkout that got converted in following number of follow-ups. You can add as much store as you want. Here you can create a new store here, or let's say I am in demo 1. I just want to see what is happening on my demo 2 store. I'll just activate it, and now I am in demo 2 store. What I can do is I can go to my dashboard and apply some filter here, and all those data is related to demo store, so you don't have to sign out and sign it again. As I mentioned, this application is made on Node.js and MongoDB, and I'm using timers to schedule my IVR calls, and I'm going to explain this snippet of code that is used to make IVR calls. So whenever a request for IVR call comes in, I just check what is the current time. Should I make a call now, or should I schedule it to next day at 8:30 a.m. So if it is same day, I just configure it to be on same day, and I just put those tasks in my DB, and I use set timeout so that this function, which will create an IVR call, will run at particular interval of time. And let's go to this function, and when the time comes, what this function will do is it will check that is it the right time to make a call. If it is, it will make a call, and then it will just create a record in IVR table, and it will remove that particular task from my queue or database.